Here's a 2018 Audi S3. Don't run with the fast crowd, leave them in your dust. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, engine auto stop-start feature, power sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend explains the grip-and-go nature lets you throw the car just about as hard as you'd like at a corner and come out the other side smelling like a rose. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to Herb Connolly Hyundai, where the customer comes first. We're conveniently located at 520 Worcester Road in Framingham, Massachusetts.